had into flap of black eyes, now clear, you see. And the whole length, the hands of this complete full black moleskin here, now whitish. You see, the whitish race. Now, you can see the whitish. This was in darkish, completely darkish. And also his face was, this position is white. He is a very beautiful boy because the moleskin is coming whitish. You see? Okay. You see this side? You see? This is now the normal skin. Before, 4 months before, we can't see near here. This is a normal skin. This is completely whitish. But before 3 months, it was a complete darkish. Suresh, this killing, these are coming. The fresh layer is coming here. Now 60% is cured. 60%. Before 4 months, we can't touch there because we are pain smelling. Now you see external application daily, noni juice only, and making the noni soap also. The bottom of the hand, this is whitish. Last was the darkish. This side, this is only the whitish race, completely fulfilled. Was the blackish skin. No medicines. Only noni juice, only external application, only drink nosi. They will talk.
തേച്ചോണ്ടത് മാറി അങ്ങനെ നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. പുറത്തൊക്കെ പാറുണ്ട് അച്ചാറിനോണ്ട്.
It is very better. You are sure it will cured. I will take in daily medicine.
വളരെ നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. ഈ മരുന്ന് തേച്ച് പല മരുന്നിനെക്കാട്ടിയും വളരെ ഉപകാരമാണ് ഈ മരുന്ന്. വളരെ മാറ്റമുണ്ട് എനിക്ക്. ഇത് കാരണം പുറത്തു പോകാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
He is saying it is very improvement. He is sure the permanent cure, surely. Mr. Abu Bakr, please come on stage. His femur bone on the fracture place. This position, the 14 pieces of the bone, this side. Then I press it, this was swelling inside, list like this, best swelling. The inflammatory symptom was there. When the pus is coming in this side and this side. This was very bad things. Now, firstly started in this hole. I put off the gauzes on this side. For 20 days, the abscess lesson coming. Abscess will be cured. Then the swelling will be absorbed. Not any antibiotic, any anti-inflammatory or any analgesic. He get a relief of pain. Then hope. Then I told him to drink the noni 20 ml. He drank 60 ml. It's an immediate response. He's very healthy. Then, and funniest thing, he was a married man. Then his wife gone because the smell is insufficient. Not the bad smell of. She divorced. He divorced because she is coming to go look after him. Then after cleared, he married. At this moment, she is here. Now both are very happy. You can see there is no any injury symptom, no pus symptom.
ഈ മരുന്ന് കഴിച്ചിട്ട് നല്ല മാറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ടായി, നടക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. എൻ്റെ ജീവിതം തന്നെ തിരിച്ചു കിട്ടിയ നോനി കൊണ്ടാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ നോനിയുടെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടറാണ്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ നാടും മൊത്തം നോനിയെ സപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
And he got the life by the noni. Now he is the noni distributor. Every month he is a 4-star distributor now. Only 1 month he will give in Kerala and second 1-star. Somebody was he is seeing my legs. You see my leg. You take noni. All injured patients that take noni. This is very actual Puni.
To Dr. Abdullah, who has dedicated his life for treating people with noni. Very, very big appreciation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mr. D.R. Raju. Mr. D.R. Raju is going to share about prolapse of intervertebral disc, PID.
Noni morning. I love you. Exactly about 13 months before, I had been to Hyderabad. While coming back, I was to carry little luggage in the railway station and step the staircase. After half an hour or 1 hour, when I reached my home, I had little pain in my back. I thought it is regular pain what we will have. I left neglected for another 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 8th day, I was not able to sit or even stand. Then I had an X-ray taken. They told me it is inflammation is there in between L4 and L5. Then the doctor advised me, we have to take only painkiller. There is no other way, and you have to take complete bed rest. You need not even go to this one work for 1 month, and I must not drive two-wheeler for 6 months. And it was so painful. Even for that 1 week, I suffered so much. Even I could not move my back. I could not even sleep properly. Then I took the painkiller. Within the 3rd or 4th day, my head was swollen. Maybe some reaction with the medication. Then one of my friend and the leader, that's B.C. Sridhar, told me, there is a fruit like this, juice like this, you can have it, you will come out of the problem. But I didn't believe. Then he suggested me, there was a seminar conducted by Mr. P.I. Peter in Bangalore, the next day itself. It was lucky for me, I think. I went, attended that program from morning 9:30 up to 6 o'clock. Then there was a special session from 6:30 to up to 10 o'clock. Then I was convinced. Then next day itself I started taking. Within 1 month, my entire pain was relieved. I was able to walk. Then afterwards, after 1 month, only after 1 month, as per the doctor advice, I had a belt and walked with buses and auto. Then after the 3rd month, even to this today, I am driving my two-wheeler. Every day I have to attend my work. 80 to 120 kilometers I am traveling in the two-wheeler. Nothing is happening and I am very fine. After 3 months, I found lot of other improvement is there in me. Lot of energy was there. I never used to get tired. And then slowly my weight was reducing, and within 10 months I have reduced it about 10 kilos. And one more information I want to share with you is, I could not read, I have a reading, now this one was there. After without glasses, if I read for 1 minute, afterwards I used to have blurriness. After taking noni for 6 or 7 months, now I can read the paper also. So it is improving that also. So even today, since 1 year I am taking, myself and my wife are taking that noni. And then recently, about 25 days before, I had chikungunya. I had been to some native places in Andhra, chikungunya. I don't think within 25 days a chikungunya, this one can walk like this. I was thinking whether I could attend this seminar or not. But it so happened, because I was taking noni since 1 year, the immunity what I developed, I could even walk now, attend all my work, drive my vehicle even today. I thank very much to noni and P.I. Peter and my leader B.C. Sridhar.
Mr. Suryamani Tripathi is going to share about type 2 diabetes.